Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's unusual speculation, and if you guys were not living under a rock, the last week Gamestop went up 640%, and we're here to recap in case you're new to investing and you don't really know what happened. So first off, Citron Research, they put a short target of $20 onto GameStop. Andrew left, he's the owner Citron, said it was a pump and dump and it has no probable cause to surge up. Then a subreddit called wallstreetbets took this and just put him to shame. They called him shit Ron on Twitter, repeatedly calling him out. And shortly after, retail investors who are members of the subreddit just took their life savings and YOLO'd them into GameStop tendies, which is basically short-term option calls. And the next day went up, I think 100%, 200%, went up to $90, I believe. And just humiliated Andrew left. Next, what is Wall Street Bets? How would this lonesome subreddit pump a stock so much it would force institutions to cover the shorts? So many people speculate, through social media such as TikTok, it helped motivate new investors into YOLOing their money. But what initially got them off the edge or over the edge into a big act up is what people don't know is called a short squeeze. So, there's a lot of hedge funds and institutions that had a lot of shorts on GameStop. So, once the stock went up, 200, 100%, it caused those hedge funds and institutions that bet against them, shorting the stock, they had to buy back from the market, which pumps up the price of the market or price of the stock. And when they buy back, they have to buy back the stock that they borrowed to cover the short. So in turn, basically, to cover the short, they have to pump up the market, which it does sound really weird. Why would they buy from the market and pump up the stock that they're shorting? Well, they have to, and that's basically what a short squeeze is, and that's what happened to hedge funds such as, Melvin Capital that just announced bankruptcy. So what is the future like for GameStop? Oh, sorry about that. They had rumors of bankruptcy. They haven't announced anything yet. But what is the future like for GameStop? I definitely think GameStop is still going to go up. I think it's the market. Retail investors are, euphoric about it. These hedge funds, though, will try anything they can. Point 72, Ken Griffin Citadel, try anything they can to manipulate the prices. And we can see after hours right now, these hedge funds and institutional investors, are trying to manipulate the aftermarket hours to scare away retail investors. This is just market manipulation. And if you're a retail investor and you're already in GameStop, you need to hold. You need to wait till pre-market where these retail investors have access to. You want to wait for them because it's going to be pumped. I think right now, if you're going to short it, you might as well just donate money. There's so many retail investors right now, and there's still a huge short float. It would be silly to not, put your money into GameStop. I think right now, as everyone's pumping into their money, David Dobrik, he tweeted out, along with Logan Paul, Dave Portnoy, why wouldn't you? Right? Because you're betting that other retail investors are going to help, these hedge funds. They're going to force them a short squeeze. So why wouldn't you just put in some more money? I definitely would. And I don't recommend this. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. But personally here at, we Unusual Speculation, we have put some money into GameStop and AMC, speculating that these celebrities, there's a message to be sent to hedge fund managers that screwed up our economy in 2008. These big banks asking for bailouts, instead of giving it to the American people, we need to send a message to them that we could take them over and we could control the markets. So right now, more celebrities are investing into the market, and it's making a bubble, as if you would call it, to the point where I can see the stock going to $500, $600. So we personally at Unusual Speculation, we personally put some of our assets, some of our capital into assets such as GameStop, Nokia, and AMC. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe or like, and I appreciate it. Thanks.